Very close to Uriés is the municipality of Ayer. One of the most distinctive pits in Asturian mining rises among mountains and forests. San Fernando Pit. It was sunk in the mid-20th century by Sociedad Industrial Asturiana Santa Bárbara, promoted by the engineer José Tartiere, and remained in operation until 1968. What makes it unique is its balance-type winding system. Coal was not extracted through the headframe, loading area, but through the Santa Ana adit, a 2-kilometre gallery located in the lower part of the valley. Using counterweights, the coal was lowered in the cage towards the adit, while the miners entered through the adit and were lifted in the cage up to the mine workings. Today, a walk from Uriés leads to its striking steel headframe. Visitors can also explore the powerhouse and historic buildings such as the lamp room and the shower house. Come and discover San Fernando, a mine hidden deep in the mountains.